What we need to add now, if we go to our wireframe, is the description and the requirements, and maybe making the title a heading. So let's go back to the view, and under Fields, let's add our field. I'll click Add, and I'm going to search for Description, and here it has the title of the field. So Body Field is going to show as Body, even though we call it Description, but it will still show up in the search as Description because the search searches the labels as well. I'll select Body, and I'll click Add and Configure Fields. We're going to leave everything at the default for now, and I'll click Apply and scroll down, and there's our description. Okay, the next thing we need are our requirements. So I'm going to click Add next to Fields again, and I'll do a search for Requirements. There it is. I'll click it to select it, and I'll click Add and Configure Fields. Now in this case, if we look back at our wireframe, we want there to be a label. So let's click this Create a Label. We'll set it to Requirements. I'll click Apply, and let's look at our preview. Okay, so pretty close. The things we need to change is that the requirements should be in line with the content, and the title should be a heading of some kind. Let's tackle the title.